dedico la canción soltera. Se ve que ella no está puesta para el amor. Yeah, yeah. Pero eso cambiará cuando ella me vea acá. Porque lo sepas. Porque ella me ha cupido a pedirle un favor.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kaviar Kez. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today's hair sponsor is Ayiyi hair. I love that name. I still love saying it every single time. I've worked with them a few times and they were actually featured on my favorite like straight hair companies. This time I'm trying a curly wig. I haven't tried their curly wigs before. This is my first curly wig from them. I believe all the others were like straight, but I know I didn't try a curly texture from them until now. Let's jump into all the details about this unit. I have installed a 24-inch deep wave 5x5 closure wig. This is a glueless wig and this is in 180% density. It is a Swiss lace. It is also made of 100% raw virgin hair.
Esperando tu DM, pa' que invites una ronda más, pa' que su labio me bese ya, y se repita lo de ayer. Esperando tu DM, pa' que la noche haga lo suyo, que la fluidez le gane al orgullo, y que sea lo que tú quieras hacer. Repetiría una mil veces la noche que te vi. Sabía que era ese hombre que me hace reír y me hace creer que yo soy la mujer que se merece algo puro y no solo pa' comer. Que yo lo quiera ya no va conmigo. Ya quiero ese hombre que me sepa amar, que me además de novia también sea amigo. Su susto no veo, qué casualidad. Qué rico es tocar tu piel, pero más rico es el poder conectarse. Se siente mágico solo al abrazarte. Tú has prendido esa llama que arde. Qué rico es tocar tu piel, pero...
Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to do a real simple install with this closure wig. It's pretty much ready to go. I did bleach the knots off camera. All I'm doing now is just plucking some of the hair off of the hairline because it is a bit fierce and we know that we can improve it. So that's what we're doing. We're not doing too much, but it's just enough to make the difference when you have the hair installed. It's going to look just more sleek and more natural looking.
Es que todas tus amigas te dicen nada. Yo voy a llorar un río como maná. Baby, a ti te adoro y lo sabes bien. Y me aseguro no te dieran otra vez. No me digas que no. Es que el miedo lo jode lo que tuvo sentido por mi bebé.
I really like to use hairsprays and things that are just not glue, like hair glue, when I'm installing my wigs, because I've mentioned this many times, but I really don't like sleeping with wigs on my head. So I usually will remove them or I'll leave them on for about 1 or 2 days max. And also I sell these units sometimes when I'm done with them. So I don't want to be removing glue. Like, that's such a pain. I haven't found a technique to remove glue where it's like effortless, you know? So yeah, I ain't gonna get time for that. So we just like to use any type of hairspray or non-glue adhesive. If you guys know some other ones that I maybe haven't tried, let me know your favorite hairspray or adhesive spray to secure your wigs in the comment section. I kind of am always like late to the party, and to be honest, I don't watch a lot of hair reviews. I only have a few people that I actually like watching. So yeah, I don't really know what's the new product to use. Let me know which ones you guys are using, and if you would like me to review a particular product, let me know. If I can get a hold of it, I will definitely try it out in one of my videos.
I just need the time and place to come through. Send me your location, let's ride the vibrations. I don't need nothing else but you. At times I wonder why I fool you. This is new to me, this is new to you. Initially, I didn't wanna fall for you. Gather my attention, it was all for you. So don't take advantage, don't leave my heart damaged. To understand that things go a little bit better when you plan it. So won't you send me your location? Let's focus on communicating, 'cause I just need the time and place to come through.
This wig is beautiful, you guys. It is very full, it is very comfortable, and I'm just really impressed with it so far. So this wig does come glueless, as I mentioned, so you don't have to wear anything to secure it, and the 5x5 closure is super easy to install. This wig was pretty low maintenance. I didn't really have to do much. Now, I did bleach my knots off camera, and I did wash the wig, and I left it to dry, air dry. There was no conditioner in the wig. When I washed my wig, I just washed it with shampoo. My updated like washing wigs routine, I have changed it a little bit. Now I pretty much only wash my wigs with shampoo, and I mostly don't use conditioner even on my curly wigs unless the wig is really dry. Thankfully, that was not the case for this wig. It does say that this wig is pre-plucked, and I noticed that like, no, we need to pluck some more hair out of that hairline. So that's what we did. We just did a rough pluck, and it's not even something that's so noticeable, but it just kind of breaks up that harsh line. Curl pattern is absolutely stunning on this wig. I want to show you guys what the back looks like. The wig is definitely true to length. It is hitting me where a 24-inch would hit me, and that is styled length. If you stretch the wig, it goes down to about 28 inches, I would say. So bravo for that. I love how big body these curls are, you guys. Like, it just fills up the room. Like, if you want a big full wig, this is her. And like combing it through, it just gets even bigger. It's just giving like natural hair vibes. I really like it. It feels like more on the coarser side. The curls are actually really beautiful. It just looks very natural. It's not super shiny. I'm actually really impressed with this wig. I love the density. It is a beautiful density. I would say it even seems like it's 200% density. If you are someone that likes really full wigs, this wig is definitely going to be something that you're going to want to check out. Ayiyi Hair really makes some good wigs, and I've never had a bad experience with any of their wigs, so definitely check them out, you guys. It is super cute. The lace was like a natural color. It just blended in. It was giving HD vibes because yeah, it definitely just like melted into my skin after applying some hairspray. I'm gonna leave all the information to Ayiyi Hair in the description box for you guys if you want to check them out. Definitely do so. You won't be mad. Let me know what you guys think of this unit and this install. If you have any questions for me, leave it in the comments section. Leave some comments. We do random giveaways over here. Actually, the last giveaway that I did, everyone actually got a wig. So definitely be subscribed, turn your notifications on, and leave some comments. Interact with me, and I might choose you for a random giveaway. Until next time, guys, I gotta run. I'll catch you in a video real soon.